One of the most important tools that I use to help students be successful is the weekly announcement. So every Monday morning, I will post an announcement that outlines everything that you need to be doing that week. This is not meant to take the place of the course content. I do still expect you to go into the course, navigate through the material, take a look at the resources that are provided, but in the course announcement each week, I try to make sure that I hit the high points. Definitely all of the due dates and anything that absolutely must be done, but also linking to some of the resources that I think will be the most helpful. So in this video, I'm going to show you kind of what to look for in those announcements and how to get a notification if you want to, whenever those announcements are posted. So I'm just going to pull up the course homepage. Now, right at the moment, there are no announcements available, only because I have posted them and scheduled them to be released later today. Normally, you would be able to see an announcement right here whenever you click on this link at the top. So I'm going to kind of go the long way around because what I have are announcements posted for the entire semester. Although I do make specific announcements as I go along if I need to. But what you'll see is an announcement that looks something like this. And within each announcement, actually, I'm going to go up to the week 1 announcement first, just because it's a little bit more standard. So every week you will see a list heading that says this week you should, and then it has a list of all the things that you need to do that week. And I link as much as possible to items within the course or outside of the course in order to save you kind of the trouble of looking for all of the material. I also provide you with notes or hints or tips on each assignment as we go. And some weeks there are a lot of like this one's a big one. When you get to week 3, there's a lot of information about your speech. So this takes the place of me being able to kind of talk to you in class and give you all of the information that you need and answer all of your questions. So please take the time to go through and take a look at these announcements each week. They are designed to be as user-friendly as possible and as detailed as possible. If you want to receive an email or a text message whenever a new announcement is posted so that you don't have to remember to go in and check for a new announcement, the easy way to do that is to go up here to your profile and choose notifications. And once you get to this page, you can select which notifications you would like to receive. And there are a lot of options here, but the one that I recommend is announcements, new announcement available. And if you check the email box, you'll get an email which not only announces that there is an announcement, but it actually gives you all of the text of the announcement right in your email box. So you can click the links and everything right from your email if you wanted to. There is a way that you can register your mobile device and receive text messages as well if you wanted to do that. So I absolutely encourage you to set up these notifications and to make sure that you check in on Mondays for the announcement for the week. And if anything is unclear or if any of the links don't work or anything seems like it's a little bit off, please just send me an email and let me know that there's a problem. I sometimes make mistakes, and I would much rather fix it early on in the week than wait until, Sunday night and everybody says, but the link didn't work. So definitely tell me as soon as you notice. Hopefully you won't run into that, but all right, well, good luck. Hopefully that will help you navigate through those announcements.